The Showerhead is incredibly easy to install with no prior experience with plumbing or putting on a new showerhead. I was able to quickly install this by following the provided instructions and using only the tools that were provided in the kit. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who has a tall family member, as it's easily adjustable for varying heights of individuals. We chose not to install the water-saving filter and found that we really enjoy the water pressure that we get from just installing it as is. We definitely recommend this product.